Hi, welcome back to Ballroom for another Technique Tuesday. This one is going to be talking about our wedding waltz. So this is kind of addressing the rise and fall that is associated with the waltz. So typically in the American smooth style of waltz, we would have a little bit of a rise and a fall, which means we're going on our tippy toes and then coming down, which you can see in our smooth American version of our waltz quite often. We decided to opt out of including the rise and fall in our wedding waltz syllabus just for the reason of it can be a little more technically challenging. So we didn't include it because we just wanted to be a little more natural. We can still do most of the steps without requiring any rise and fall at all. Now that being said, you can go for it and do all of the rise and fall if you want, but we just decided to keep it as casual as possible. So that being said, if we were to do our box step, we're just gonna be going toe, heel, whole foot, heel, toe, whole foot in terms of footwork for our wedding waltz. So it's very natural to what your body would do if you were walking forwards or backwards or side in everyday life, so it's not going to be crazy. However, we do have videos breaking down the rise and fall in the waltz, so if you did want to get more technical and wanted to include that in your wedding dance, it's not wrong by any means. It's just going a little level above what we're doing for our wedding waltz videos, okay? That being said, if you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Go ahead, check it out. We have a ton of wedding waltz dance videos, including, and others. We do have a ton of wedding waltz dance videos on there, including steps, combinations, technique, styling, things like that. Go check it out, as well as so much more. Subscribe here for more, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.